Looking for world-class solutions for your oil and gas supply needs? Look to Ontario. Ontario has been active in the oil and gas sector since 1858, when the first commercial oil well in North America opened in Oil Springs, Ontario. That oil well helped spawn an extensive manufacturing base that employs upwards of 1 million people today. With thousands of companies, large and small, Ontario has the capacity to meet the stringent demands and schedules of global industries like oil and gas, mining, and construction. But don't just take our word for it. See for yourself.
Berg manufactures industrial process cooling solutions. We like to build factory skid-mounted solutions to satisfy our clients' needs. We're in our 40th year of business. We think we bring a lot to the table. We've got a very strong crew of sales engineers that understand process. Ontario has an opportunity to bring an additional labor force to the demands that Alberta is requiring at the moment. As a province, we're very capable of providing a helping hand. Most of the product that we ship around the world is designed to either fit into a container or onto a truck. It doesn't really matter whether we're shipping to Saudi Arabia or to Alberta. We see opportunities in all different parts of that industry, including the environmental side, where we're reducing flare gas and other environmental issues, condensing different types of gases coming off processes, reusing energy from different applications. We see all kinds of opportunities. I'm always proud of the product that leaves our door. We test and confirm everything that goes out of here, and we know that when it arrives on the client's door, it's going to do the job.
Westlake Industries is a pipe fabrication company focused primarily on the oil and gas market for piping, pipe supports, skids, and module assemblies. Westlake Industries is one of the leading fabricators in Canada, and as such we have a depth of project management, qualified technicians, and tradespeople which will provide us the capability and capacity to handle pretty well any project a client can throw at us. Ontario has a tremendous base of manufacturing, a supply chain second to none. There is a skilled pool of qualified managers, administrators, technicians, and qualified and capable tradesmen. To benefit that, there's tremendous transportation links available which can get product anywhere in the world.
Over 1,000 Ontario suppliers have worked hand in hand with oil and gas producers in Alberta and around the world in the last few years. Backed by expertise and technologies that can handle the real-world scientific and engineering challenges of the oil and gas sector, Ontario has the capability to provide innovative business solutions that meet your needs, including custom fabrication, water treatment systems, environmental remediation, engineering and field services, and so much more.
Lamsar is one-stop shopping. If you have a plant and you need some pipe, some steel, some equipment installed, you need a general contractor, a mechanical contractor, a fabricator, or an installer, you're going to come to Lamsar and we're going to give you everything. We're going to give you a turnkey project. We're right in the middle of building some modules for oil sands in northern Alberta. We're surrounded by the structures that are going to be filled with piping and equipment over the next 6 months. Some of these modules sit on top of the others. We have the oversized, overheight shop that we're sitting in that'll accommodate the pre-assembly and the assembly of the modules. And we're very excited about it. With Ontario, there are a lot of resources here. There's a lot of training and a lot of rich history in engineering and manufacturing and construction that can be utilized across Canada and internationally. And we're finding there is a greater interest in Ontario because people are recognizing that there are resources here. And I'm not just talking commodity resources, I'm talking people.
We will solve any water treatment problem that our clients come to us for using any specification that they require. We're a completely customized equipment producer, and we work with some of the most demanding customers on the planet. When it comes to services, we're the sort of the go-to company. There's no companies on the market that have as much experience in oil and gas markets, particularly in the harsh environments in the oil sands. We've been servicing and providing equipment for over 30 years in those areas. For industrial clients, water management is probably one of their main concerns going forward. Being from Ontario is a huge competitive advantage for us. When it comes to steel manufacturing, Ontario has got a wealth of knowledge and we utilize that on a daily basis. Our ability to execute projects globally relies on the fact that Ontario's got such a diverse background of people. We have people from 29 nations on staff.
Ontario is committed to delivering products and solutions that meet the most demanding specifications set by energy producers. Over 150 languages are spoken in Ontario, which makes it easier to understand and respond to international needs. Our suppliers have the project management skills and experience to serve the oil and gas industry anywhere in the world. To find out more, visit ontario.ca/energy connections.